Lucidchart's automated layout features are an easy and fast way to make sense of complex data. Lucidchart already lets you automatically generate org charts from spreadsheet data, but now you can take it a step further by converting your org chart into a group view. Similarly, you can use our smart containers to visually group any other kind of information into categories. Today I'll show you how to use these features to see more, know more, and do more with Lucidchart. Let's start with our org charts and group view by opening our org chart by cross-functional team template. You can generate org charts in Lucidchart by importing an employee table. For more details on how to do this, watch our org chart import tutorial linked in this video. Once you have your org chart imported, add more shapes to the canvas. You can also add to or change conditional formatting rules, which are helpful because they highlight key points of data without cluttering up your diagram with lots of text. In this example, we chose to highlight cross-functional teams. Once you've got your org chart just right, generate a group view. This is especially useful for visualizing cross-functional teams as we've done, and other metrics outside a traditional reporting structure. Double-click on your org chart, then go to Manage Data in the top left of the canvas. Select Create Group View and follow the prompts in the dialog. This creates a new page in your document with the groups you selected. If you change your mind about who belongs to which team, all you have to do is drag and drop the shapes between containers and they will automatically adjust and resize for you. And regardless of whether you make changes in your org chart or in the group view, the data can be downloaded again to a new CSV so that you can easily update your internal files and systems. Simply go back to Manage Data and select Export as CSV. Any change will be highlighted for you and you can choose the information you want to download. On the other hand, if you make changes to your original spreadsheet, for example, you need to add more employees to your org chart, simply make the changes and then refresh the data in Lucidchart to automatically add those changes to both your org chart and group view. But what if you aren't starting from an org chart but still want to quickly organize your data into groups? Meet our new smart containers. Let's take a closer look using this HR hiring process with Smart Containers template. Smart Containers have all the same functionality of group view for org charts, but you don't need an org chart to generate one. All you need is a set of data. This template already has a sample data set, so let's make a copy of it. Go to the toolbox and select Import Data under the Smart Containers shape library. If this library isn't already in the toolbox, you can search for it in the Shape Library Manager. From this import dialog, you can either go straight to importing your data or browse through our Smart Container templates. Go through the import dialog and choose the header for each container and shape. Since we're tracking candidates through the hiring process in this template, we'll choose status and candidate name. From here, you can rearrange both containers and shapes. You can also add in more information inside each shape. Double-click your Smart Containers and go to the Shapes drop-down menu in the top left-hand corner of the toolbox and select any additional shape fields you want to show. If you want the shape field label to show up as well, go to More Options and select Show Label. Smart Containers, like Group View, can be easily formatted. If you want to apply default formatting, double-click a container, make the changes you want, and then click on Set Default Container Style in the Advanced toolbox at the top. The same can be done in a shape. Use conditional formatting to highlight different steps in the process so that you and your colleagues can check on candidates at a glance. As with Group View and org charts, your changes can be downloaded to CSV and changes you make to your data can be automatically added to your Smart Containers. Once you're done editing your Smart Containers, you can easily add any other shapes to your canvas. Once you've made all the adjustments you want to a template, don't forget to share it with others. And if you like this template, make sure to check out our other org charts and Smart Container templates in our template gallery to learn how Lucidchart can help you see more, know more, and do more.